bro, even when she didn't fuck somebody, them motherfuckers, when they came to her city, they left her money. They made sure she was right. Even when she didn't fuck her. Fuck that.
She said Superhead was a joke at first.
What happened?
She said it was a joke at first, and it had nothing to do with her giving head. Superhead was a joke. And
No, when I saw that shit, the way she was blowing the shot forward, like that was the crazy shit. That's why.
that's what she's telling y'all. If y'all seen it on TV, she was on TV the other day. She said it was a joke.
Yeah.
Superhead was a joke. And it had nothing to do with her giving head until she had sex. Until she started messing with Irv Gotti, and Irv Gotti put her out there like that.
Gave her that name. Actually, Ja Rule gave her that name.
Irv Gotti.
I don't care.
It was one. Yeah.
She's fucking
The whole murder.
Her first boyfriend was Coolio J or some shit.
What happened?